What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video of Hoodstick. Today we're going straight out. We need the car to be MOT'd, so we're going to take all the... one second. We're going to take... let's take this call, one sec. Get the car to the garage, get it MOT'd onto the road, and then we can do lacquer another day. So we can't waste time, let's get it on the road. Atrocious weather this is. We have no choice, but we're trying to get this car on the road. It looks amazing compared to how it used to look, with a bashed up boot lid and a rear bumper all squashed here with no rear lights. There we go, time to jump in. Handbrake is on or off. Okay, let's drive. Like I said, it's been over almost 2 years since this car was driven. It's been parked up all this time. We are just literally not much brakes as well. I think there's a leak in the brakes. We are on the road. This car needs to clean. I got no brakes. Look, got no brakes. I could just about slow down right at the end. Handbrake. Looks like there's no brake. I think there's a leak on the passenger caliper as I move the car forward. I didn't show you guys, but there's a leak. So basically, situation is because we got the new calipers, because the one on there right now is seized, and you can see the disc itself. It's just not being used at all. It's pretty old as well. The car didn't come with a locking nut, which you will see the key with that. So wheel locking nut removal. So basically, it's just a few metal things. So we're going to try it out now to see if we can unbolt the star nut on there. I'll be amazed if it works. Let's hope that it works. Bismillah. And yes,
got it.
Done it. Wow. And here's the old nut off now. Done the job. If you ever lose the locking nut and you've got a star nut for a wheel, don't go to the garage. Buy yourself the wheel locking nut removal kit. Whew. There you go. There's a different. How the pads looking there? A lot of life on there.
Got plenty.
We also bought some brake pads from your car park. I think it looks better than green, you know.
Feels way better.
Yeah. Go right, go right.
Go, emergency stop.
Go.
You ready?
Go on, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Oh man, that was mad. Oh yeah. Yeah, the brakes is so much better now. Even this taps. Oh, that's so much better. Alhamdulillah. Okay, mashallah, it's good, yeah. Feels a lot better. The cars come together after a long time. It gripped quite well in the rain, to be honest.
Decent.
Huh?
Decent for what the tyres are and what the road condition is like. It's alright.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
You had too much fun around here.
This used to be the car back in the days. The 1.8T, 180 brake horsepower stock, and the MOT is done on the car. I think this car's good for Mexico. 911 Carrera GT3. Wow. A couple of miles we've been driving. It's been driving pretty fine. The engine, the boost, everything's running really well. There's no engine lights, no warning lights. 6-speed box. There's something missing here. The stereo. I think the previous owner probably took it away. It's only got 94,000 on the clock. Wow. Right, boys. Right, let's do a cheeky pull here. Second gear pull. Let's go. Whoa. Bit jerky, but that's probably the first pull this car had like over 3 years now. Well, I think the new M4s they are. He's gone. Oh, look at the traffic. Oh, what are you doing, man? What? The MOT garage right now. If you want to get your car's MOT, Evelyn Road, MOT, Birmingham. They're open till late. It's even left-hand drive. mashallah, man. Beautiful. Natural aspirated about 400. 400.
Got a Corvette as well.
Bumpering me, man. He's laughing at me. No, that's naughty. That. Thanks, bro. Need to get myself a scooter. On the way home, we're gonna do a proper test now.
Shut up.
Yeah.
This car's
Ooh, yeah, good. Hey. Yeah,
it's alright.
Yeah. It's hot as well, so it's working. If you guys enjoyed that, tell me what you think. Drop a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.